guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Vicky and I talk about cruelty-free beauty, skincare, makeup, anything. So today I just wanted to go through a few of my new favourites. So if you want to find out what they are, then continue watching. So today I've got a few new favourites to share with you guys. So there's a couple of things from skincare to makeup and something a bit random. So I'll just start off with a couple of lip balms that I've been loving at the moment. So these are both cruelty-free and vegan. So the first one is this one here, which is from the brand called Good Boom. I got this in a little subscription box. So this is a lip balm of lavender lip balm. So you put this on at night actually, and it restores your lips over the night. So I've been really loving this recently because with the weather and everything, my lips are so dry recently. It's just an ongoing problem. I just can't find anything to help out with them, but this has really been moisturising them a lot, and I've been using it throughout the day as well. I don't know if you're supposed to, but I use it anyway. But it smells lovely and it feels really lovely and it's super cute. And the next one is actually a coloured balm. So this is from Fru, and this is, I've been loving this. I don't know why I haven't used it more often. I've had it in my drawer just hidden away like we do. It's just, you know, I think I got this in a subscription box as well, and it's just sort of been put into a drawer where I haven't been using it. So this is the mulberry one. So this is a gorgeous, I don't know, it's like a muted purple. It's like a grey toned purple even. It's really pretty. So I'll try and like give you a little swatch of it, but yeah, you can see it. So it gives like the most like beautiful like tint to your lips. It's really nice. I've used quite a lot of it already. I keep using it. I keep meaning to pick up some more actually. They do have more shades. So yeah, I've been really loving that. And so yeah, this is made with watermelon, mango, coconut and aloe vera. It smells lovely. It smells like watermelon and it looks amazing. So, and it's so much easier to apply than a lipstick. It's just like a little balm and it's a really unique shade and I love it. It's been really great for autumn, so I've been using it with like some really nice autumnal eyeshadows. Sorry, the cat's just here, so I'm just stroking the cat. Yeah, so that's it for the lip balms. So next thing is a highlighter from Barry M. So this is one of their baked highlighters. This is a baked tri-blend highlighter in the shade Silver Solstice, and this is literally so pretty. So it's there and it's like a mix, it's one of them ones that's a mixture of all different shades. So it's literally ridiculous. Like, it's so pigmented. You can use the peach side for a blush or just use it as a super blinding highlight. It's really pretty. It's so nice. I love like the silver and the goldy bit. It's just really lovely. And Barry M, super affordable. They always have deals on as well at Superdrug 3 for 2. I think they've got one going on at the moment actually, 3 for 2 on cosmetics. So it's always easy to pick up, and yeah, I've just been loving that at the moment as a nice, well, as a bit of a blinding highlight. So next thing is something I've been loving is this Feather and Down pillow spray. So I really struggle with my sleep. I barely sleep at all, and I try everything and anything I can to help me out with sleep, and this has been one of them things that I've been loving. So what you do is you just spray it on your pillow just before you go to bed, and it leaves a gorgeous lavender and chamomile, this has got chamomile in it as well, lavender and chamomile scent throughout the room. It's really nice. I've been loving it. It smells beautiful. I've got 2 bottles of this actually, so I use it every night, so I go through them quite quick, so I've got a little backup. So this is Castor Oil. So what I've been using this as is for my brows and my eyelashes. So this is well known for promoting growth of your eyebrows and your eyelashes. So I've been using it for a couple of days now. I only got it like last week. I only just started using it, but I have used castor oil in the past and it does work. So what I do is I just use a little mascara wands. You can pick them up on Amazon or eBay for a really cheap pack of them. You just brush it onto your lashes and your brows, and it helps promote the growth of the hairs. So obviously I need some help in that department, but I have used, you know, like X-Lash and NYK1, I think it is, serums, and they do really work. I think you just have to keep using them just to keep the growth there, because obviously you lose your lashes and your brow hairs all the time, so I think you just have to keep up with it, and I'm really bad at doing that, so I just want to try and stick to this one. Obviously castor oil is amazing for so many things. I do have a blog post that I've written for some top uses for castor oil. If you want to check it out, I'll put it in the description box below. As with everything, I'll put everything in the description box below so you can check it all out. So the next thing is a bit of a luxury product. So I was sent this, and when the parcel arrived, it was one of them sort of pinch me moments. So it's actually from Charlotte Tilbury. So this is the Magic Creams. This is one of her iconic products. It's so nice. It's super expensive, but I had to include it because I love it. I've been using it every day. I've used it in the past as well. I did have a big tub of it, and yeah, I was so surprised when I got that parcel. It was just like made my year. Like, Charlotte Tilbury products are just amazing. I love Pillow Talk lipstick. It's my, I don't wear lipstick a lot, and when I do, I always gravitate towards that one, because it's just, I don't know, there's something about it. It just looks good on everybody, and it gives your it makes your lips look plumper. I don't know, it's just an amazing lipstick. So if you haven't tried Pillow Talk, then you should definitely check that one out. But yeah, like I said, they are a little bit, it is high end, it is a bit luxe, so it is a bit expensive, but I had to include it because I do love it, and Charlotte Tilbury is cruelty free. So yeah, and this is, I've been wanting this palette for a long time, and I inadvertently entered a competition online with Love Indulge, and as you do, you completely forget that you've entered these competitions, because I don't often enter them, to be honest, and I got a random DM from them saying that I had won one of the new Urban Decay honey palettes. So I was literally buzzing, mind the pun, but yeah, so this palette is absolutely gorgeous. It's a mix of, it's all just gold, honey, obviously, tones. It's really pretty. This gold is so nice. I love Urban Decay shadows. They're always, you can never go wrong with their shadows. That's just that gold. I'm not gonna swatch everything in this video, just to show you guys what I'm currently loving. I love the packaging as well. It's like, it is like hard plastic, I think. Yeah, I think so. It's yeah, it just looks super pretty, really nice. It is a little bit bulky though. I've got to say, I prefer slimmer palettes, but I am a Urban Decay Naked fan. I do have the Naked Heat palette as well, which I love, which is so nice. It's just full of warm tones, and yeah, this one is as well. There's a little, I just love the tones of them. They're really like unique, like they're golds, but all different types of golds. Like, oh, I love this shade. It's so nice. Every time I open it, I go straight to this shade. It's just so gorgeous. It's so easy to create a look with it as well. And the brush that comes with Urban Decay palettes it's actually really good. And this one's really cute. It's got a little naked honey on it there. You've got to get a nice little fluffy brush on the end, and then you've got like a little packer brush, which I like using for my under eyes there. Works really well. Probably one of the best brushes you get in palettes, to be honest. What else have I got? So something else I've been loving as well is this water bottle from Abbey Water. So I am trying my absolute best to drink water. I am so bad. Like, some days I don't drink water at all. I just have tea or just have coffee. It's awful. So I've been trying my best to drink as much water as I can without exploding. So I have this. I was sent this by Abbey Water, and it includes a removable sort of plug at the bottom here, so it's got crystals in it. So I chose this one here, which is the elemental crystals, so it's a mix of all different types of crystals. So you've got a bit of quartz, amethyst, you've got I think sandstone in there as well, but there's all different types of, I don't know if they're called, I'm gonna call them plugs. They're like plugs at the bottom. You can remove them, you can change the crystals, so you can swap and change to anything you like. So they got one full of like rose quartz, which is obviously good for, you know, radiating love and all that kind of stuff. But I'll leave a link to their website below, and they explain everything about all the types of crystals that you get. And yeah, I just think it's great. It's got a little pop top there, so it pops. So it's just, they do two different types of bottles. They got one with a screw top, which I do have that as well, and that's glass, so it's not that good for taking out and about, but this is their like on the go one. So it's got a bit of rubber around here and a little, like I said, a little pop top there, and it locks here. You get a little locking mechanism and then it pops, and I love it. It's great. I've been using it every day since I got it, and it's fantastic. I love it. So, and it just looks nice as well. It's just a bit nicer than a normal boring water bottle or something. So I just have it with me all the time. If I have a cup of tea, I have this with me as well, just because caffeine is bad. I'm trying to put that into bed. Caffeine's bad. Need water. So yeah, so that's just a few of my favourite things that I've been loving at the moment. I'll probably do a few of these videos like a month, because I use a lot of products, and I'm always finding some like new amazing products that I want to share with you guys, because I know it's quite difficult to find if you're first starting out, like trying to be cruelty free and everything like that. I know it's quite hard to find what products are and where to find them, so hopefully I can help you out with that a little bit. And if you like this video, give it a big thumbs up and subscribe below so you can keep up to date with all my videos. And yeah, so it was lovely sharing that with you guys. I hope you have found some new products to try, and if you have any suggestions for any videos you want to see, just let me know in the comments below. I'm always checking them, and I just want to thank you guys for watching, and I will see you in the next one.